Hi, I'm Pippa Malmgren, and I've been an entrepreneur in the drone space for some years, innovating in the manufacturing side and working with corporations that are deploying drone technology. So I'm absolutely thrilled to be involved as a judge this year in these Airwards and a huge proponent of the work that they're doing. The category that I judged in is surveys and inspections, the group in operations, and I'm delighted to announce that the winner of this category is liability. It's for their submission on inspections of interior spaces. So well done, congratulations, and everybody keep up the hard work. This is the cutting edge of technology.
Hi, I'm Patrick, the co-founder and CEO of Flyability. Thank you very much, Airwards, for this award that recognizes our mission to be sending drones instead of human in dangerous situations. At Flyability, we are building drones very specifically built for indoor, confined, complex spaces. And we do send them instead of human to perform inspection jobs that would otherwise be too difficult and too costly to perform. Thank you again very much.